Hi everyone! In this video I'll be sharing organization hacks and DIYs, which involves 5 hacks using the sheet protector and tissue box, and so on. The first way is pretty obvious. You just put it in your binder and store any worksheets. The second way is to use it as a whiteboard. This comes to play when you don't want to use extra papers for calculations that you're going to erase. The third way is to make an easy DIY bulletin board. Take a piece of sheet protector and cut it into a piece by cutting horizontally. After that, you're gonna use tape so stick the tape on each side. Then you're gonna stick it on the wall like this. Make sure a part is pointing outward. And use a double-sided tape. And stick any scrap papers on the double-sided tape. And use a paper clip so more papers can be held. What you can do with the rest of the paper is to cut it into small pieces. So if you have any decoration drawings, you can have a piece and stick it on it to protect your drawing from being ripped. So the last way is to make it into a book. Take as many as you need and put 2 papers on each sheet protector so it can be double-sided. And what you do is to fold it on the back and tape it right here. So what you can also do is to tape another tape over here so it won't fall off. The next hack is to reuse an empty tissue box as a book holder. Similar to this. So we just simply cut out the top part of the tissue box. and you can fix the uneven parts. And here it is. You can put it on the desk, on the bookshelf, or on top of a storage box. What if you don't have a stapler with you? So this hack can help you, which my music teacher taught us. Fold it into a triangular shape. And fold it for 2 more times. As you can see, it won't fall off. But if you want to tighten it, grip it 2 times. Which is very hard. And fold it back like this. And it won't fall off. If you finish a drink or yogurt that is contained in a glass bottle, save it, because if you don't have a pen container, you can use this. Or you can use it to store small things. I will also demonstrate a way to fold earpods. So have it on your hand like this and wrap it around like this. And here it is. If you want to save space and save time by not needing to go grab something when you're working, you can have a bag under your table. Where you put any things that you need. This brings an end to today's video. There are more videos that I want to make, which are written in my description box. If you're interested in knowing how I film and edit on my phone, comment down below and let me know. Also, comment for any suggestions or ideas. And if you liked the video, please give a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye!